Hey guys, welcome back. So my wife and I have decided it's time to find a new home for this 2018 Forest River Class C. Now, don't get me wrong, we're not getting out of the RV business. What we're going to be doing is taking this 2026 Ford Transit Cargo van that you can see is completely empty, and over the next few months, we're going to be converting that into a Class B motorhome. So this isn't going to be your typical van conversion that you see a lot of these expert van builders doing. What I'm going to do is take all the ideas and tips and tricks that I've learned from all these guys over all these past months and put it all together in one small video. That way it's going to save you some time, it's going to save you some money, it's going to be safer, and it's going to be a lot more enjoyable. So if this is something that you're interested in, make sure you subscribe so when this video comes out, you'll be ready to take advantage of it. And until next time, safe travel.